How to recover missing Snapchat memories. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat on your phone. Now tap on your profile on the top left corner, then tap on settings, that is on the top right corner. So here what you need to do is you want to scroll down a little bit and tap on memories. Here you should have to make sure that all the backups are completed and smart backup is turned on right there. When you turn it on, your mobile data may be used for your backing up of your memories. All you have to do is you have to make sure that backup is completed and smart backup is turned on. And now in the bottom in the save destination, you want to tap on save button, and what you need to do is you want to put the tick mark in memories and camera roll. What it will do is it will back up all your snaps to your gallery as well as memories of Snapchat. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.